we're here in Tulsa, Oklahoma at Tulsa Raceway Park, and this is the IFO two-step / rep battle. Now, it's very simple. The competition is judged on crowd applause. Winner stays, loser goes until we have one final winner at about the 30-minute mark. By the way, the first car to take out 5 entries gets automatic trophy and a chance to go up against the finalists. Plus, this video is sponsored by the FOAT, FOAT.com. Check them out, set up a legal profile. Once you do, you're set for ticketing with any future import face-off. Oklahoma, you guys ready? Yeah! All right, Keegan, let's do this, ladies. You might want to go up front. If you want to stay on the sides in the shots, even better. Okay, fine.
All right, we're gonna start with the Ford Fiesta. That's right. Just because there's dudes showing their butts on the back. Ford, 3, 2, 1, go! That's our white car here. This is my Ford. I'm going to let you know in case you're not a vehicle aficionado. White car here. Silver car, Mitsu. 3, 2, 1, go! Example of how to win and how not to do the thing. All right, let me hear it for the Ford! Mitsu! That's what we call the pity boat. All right, Mitsu, thank you for pulling up. I appreciate you. We're gonna have you pull forward. Bring me the red Z car. Bring me the red Z car. That's how this works. I need to hear your voice. I need to hear everything about you because you're gonna let me know. I don't want somebody online being like, oh, the Mitsu must go on. That's a flex. That is definitely a flex. All right. That is some tuck. Damn. All right. Woo. Oh. He just said if you're not tucking, you're not performing coitus. All right. Nissan. 3, 2, 1. So for those of you who couldn't see, so we have 3 awesome little kids here. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them that are like, This little one in the middle, she's like, yeah, yes, flames. Ah, my future arsonist. I'm glad you're here. All right, Ford, 3, 2, 1, go. Your vote. Let me hear it for the Nissan! It's crazy how sound works. One more time! Red Nissan! White Ford! Hey, I appreciate you pulling up. You did take out a car. That's awesome. Be proud. Be proud. Fiestas typically don't do well, but you took out one. That's a victory. Nissan, you're going to stand right there, and we're going to bring forth the next VQ engine. Got a 350 here, got a 370 here. Those VQ engines. Oh, it's just backed out Z cars left and right. Oh. I don't want to hear excuses. I want to hear results. All right, black Z car. 3, 2, 1, go. What was that? Yeah, it was. Red Z car! Alright. The battle of the trombones. Let me hear it for the black Z car! I know where the 4 people that came with you are standing. I know where all 4 of them are. Red Z car! Alright. Hey man, I appreciate you pulling up. It's still a clean ride. It's still a clean ride. Got the carbon fiber, got it all. Thank you. But I'm gonna have you pull forward. Air up, get out of here. The big mind bands. Yes. In the mid-90s, if the person who's suing you, if their lawyer pulled up in this, you are done for. You are out. There's some, this is not a Pagani V12, but I like your enthusiasm. It's Italian. But, Pagani, those are Merc engines. It's a true V12. No, I believe you. I believe you. All right, Mercedes with the V12. 3, 2, 1, go! That's the Mercedes. Mercedes, how many cars have you taken out? 2 total? Well, excuse me, V-car. Okay, oh, they're all your friends? Oh man, the Miata guys are jealous. You have 2 friends. They are not up to that level yet. All right, Z-car, 3, 2, 1, go! Well, happy birthday, Brandon. Do you want your... Oh. All right, it's time to hear your voice. We're going to start with the Mercedes. Let me hear for the big body Benz. One more time. Benz! Wow, most of that was from inside the car. See? It's a cool ride. I appreciate you pulling up. I am going to have you pull forward. Nissan, that's 3. That's 3 you have taken out. We're going to bring forth the smart car. Here we go. Here we go. Looking good. Looking good. Right there. That's good. That's good. I have no jokes because of our last show last week in Ennis, Texas, right outside of Dallas. One of these pulled up and shocked the world. Shocked the world. You should check our most recent two-step video. Let's see if we can do that again. Okay, before I get started, can you guys see the exhaust on this Silverado? I mean, that is thick. All right, Silverado, 3, 2, 1, go! Z car! Thank you guys for pulling up. You're a lot of fun. I do mean that. We're going to bring forth our now. We're going to have 2 Ford Fiestas in this? No.
That's 4.
It's an ST. It's turbid. It's turbid.
It's all squishy.
Yeah, come forward. Feel good. Forward. All right, Ford, we're going to get straight into it. Fiesta, 3, 2, 1, go! Nissan, you ready? Z car! Alright, let me hear it for the Ford! Yeah! That probably means Z car! I appreciate you pulling up. I am gonna have you pull forward. Oh, my violence. Come here. No, yeah, that's for him. Yeah, give it to him. All right, so no matter what, this is yours. No matter what, because our red Z car has taken out 5, automatically you will be in the finals. If you get taken out this next round, you're gonna come back around at the end for the finals. Do you want to take a break? Oh, he wants to go up against his friend. Okay, let's do it. I like it. This is the one time when 2 dudes can have it out without bringing out the measuring tape. A new Z car. 3, 2, 1, go! Right here. Red 350. Go! That's already. All right, let me hear from my 370Z. 350Z. You're sounding good, but your boy got you. He got you. Do you want to take a break? You have earned it. Go take a lap. Come back to the end. Yeah, let's take a lap. All right, so because he has taken out 5, he's going to take a break. Let the car cool off. There you go. Air up. Ooh, I like this. I left my mark. All right. And the Infinity. 37, right here, please. Right here, please. We're gonna have another. Bye-bye, donuts. Another VQ engine right here. I got my Infinity in blue, coming off blue. Up against the monster, my man, who was about to go commit a felony. And the Veloster. Who should we start with? Infinity it is. Infinity! 3, 2, 1, go! I wasn't too happy at first, but then we got there. I like it. Veloster, bring the pain. going to be a quick, easy round. I was wrong. Let me hear it for the Infinity. Ooh. Veloster. Infinity. Veloster. And as a first, the Hyundai has taken out the Infinity. Hey, I appreciate you pulling up. I just took my Gatorade, disqualified. I knew you were gonna commit a crime. Yeah, Infinity, thank you. I'm gonna have you pull forward. Veloster, you're gonna stay right there. You're gonna stay right. You saw that he pickpocketed me. He took my Gatorade. You're gonna go up against another G37, another VQ. We're gonna get right to this. Infinity, he just took out a VQ37. Let's see what you can do. Infinity, go! Might be the best one yet. All right, Veloster. I love what you're doing. Dark. Okay. There's a particular individual in the styling booth who didn't know Velosters could do that. Did you? Yeah, I know. All right, let me in for the red Infinity. I don't think that's enough. Veloster! I love you people. Dog, he got you. I'm gonna have you pull forward. Thank you for pulling up. Yeah, well, it was you guys and the other 80% went with a Hyundai. That's not on me. You just took out two G37s, my man. This is another, we'll see. There's another VQ. East's engines, I hope you got a wild tune, maybe some boosty. Let's figure it out. Z car, 3, 2, 1, go! Sounded clean on the way down. Let's see if we can go for free. Hyundai, who did your tune?
Torque Motorsports.
That's an appropriate call out. I want to make sure they get their love. All right, let's put this to a vote. See why it's important. Let me hear it for the white Z car. Don't you dare boo me on this decision. Hyundai! Dude, this sounded good, but you're the third VQ engine in a row. This Veloster is slaying it. Thank you for pulling up, Z car. Miata, let's see if you can do with the Nissans Infinities could not. Stop there, right there. Miata, come back about 2 feet. Yeah, I want to be fair in terms of acoustics. Sound engineering. Are you okay back here? Okay. I thought you took out 3 cars. It's only the first to 5, but you might be here for the finals if you keep doing it. Miata, you ready? Mazda, go! Mazda. Angry Mazda. Veloster, let's go for 4. Hyundai! Light it up! Nothing you need to apologize for. I say that with a straight face.
You better eat that pizza.
All right. Let me hear. Sorry. You heard Keegan got fired? Yeah, he punched Cliff. Let me hear it for the Miata. Okay. Veloster. Mazda? Yeah! Hyundai? Yeah! Alright, Hyundai, stay where you are. Mazda, you sounded clean, you sounded angry, but he got you. He got you. Mazda, thank you, and have you pull forward. Alright, a very 90s spray paint, cool looking, almost retro wave. I dig this, I dig this. Alright. I need to see a VQ kill it. I need to see a VQ kill it. Z car, go! There's a lot of people right here who were very anti-mask that might be pro-mask. They're like, you want to go for 5? Let's go for 5. Veloster, go! Because this engine's hot. I want to be fair. I'm sure you remember what he sounds like. All right, let me hear it for Drift Car Z Car. Ooh, Veloster. This is pretty, but I'm gonna have you pull forward. Thank you for pulling up. He's here for an advertisement. Thank you, Drift Dogs. I'll give you that. All right, the Accord that became a TL. You what? Pull what? Him forward? Oh, him forward? Well, it's a mic range thing. Yeah, I know. Right there. All right. This thing's, I don't know what this thing is. All right, we're going to call it a Honda. Honda, 3, 2, 1, go! I'll let you tell him. That's a no, dog. I appreciate you pulling up. Honda TL. I'm going to have you pull forward. Thank you. That's your buy ride. I'll let you cool down a little bit. Another VQ engine. When I say VQ, that's the engine that's inside of these Infinitis and Nissans in particular. A bulletproof 3.5 and 3.7 liter. Oh, he's handing out snacks. Used snacks, but snacks. Oh, you guys doing like the Michelangelo, the birth of fingers touching? All right, Infinity, 3, 2, 1, go! What do you think? Even work? No, I'm getting a no-go. How do you have a beanie on? You know how damn hot it is. All right, Infinity, Thank you for pulling up. I am gonna have to pull forward. That's like 7 kills. Only the first to 5, and we already saw that Z car do it. But that is notable. This is the best performing Hyundai that I have ever seen. Calm down, son. Don't blow your load. All right. My second chord of this survey. Honda, 3, 2, 1, go! Honda, I respect the fact you pulled up on 4 spare tires, but I'm gonna have you pull forward. Thank you for pulling up. All right, Ford, come see me.
Semifinal.
This is the semifinals, our penultimate round. Our semifinals. Veloster, that's like 8. You're like in the Hyundai Hall of Fame. Somewhere there's a bunch of Korean guys doing like crotch bumps. We did it! All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me go to the official here in the Crocs. See ya. All right. Clearly he's a scholar. All right, Ford, thank you for pulling up. I'm gonna have you pull forward. Thank you for entering early, but that is not gonna do it.
I'm near the Hyundai again.
Where is my last car, my second to last car, or my last car? Please bring them forward. Please bring them forward. We might be in the finals. Is it the Z? Is it my first? Wait, what's that? Is it another Miata? Another Miata? It's an MX-5. There's no driver. Yes. Oh, all right, bring him in. Bring him in. We have an abandoned car. Hey, free Mazda. Free Mazda, if anybody can. It's only 3 wires. Only 3 wires to hot wire one of those. I don't know, DIY. He's coming. All right, bring him in. This is going to be our final round. You didn't see really. Oh, he's coming. We're going to do the Hey, Mazda's pulling up real quick. Cool. We have Z on deck. Oh, I got the integrated lights. Okay, cool. Miata, you ready? Go! Better not expect it. Are you on? Hold on. Is he on fire? I have to ask. All right! I'm about to tell you, you're a pro at this now. Do your thing. Let me hear it for the Miata. Not bad. Not bad. Veloster. I do appreciate you pulling up. I am going to have you pull forward. Thank you, Mazda. And as our green Mazda pulls forward, our red Knockout King Z car is going to come back and join us. This is the finals. This is the final. Did you bring enough coffee for everybody? Is it? No, okay. This is the finals. You made it to the final. No, I trust you. I trust you. I have ultra COVID. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All right, Z car with the what bags? This is our final. I cannot believe we have a Veloster in our final round. I love it. I love it. And a bunch of dead donuts.
Loudest Veloster in the nation.
It might be the loudest Veloster in the nation. You know what? Steve was silent. You know a louder Veloster?
I will second that. I've been Veloster.
He's been a Veloster guy. He's won Best of Show, Best Korean dozens and dozens of times. You have a Hyundai out there, guy, telling you loudest Veloster. We'll find out. We'll find out. It's an apocalypse over here of Lay's potato chips. All right. For all of my overly 420 friendly people who do not remember a few moments ago when this guy took out multiple cars, he is back for the final round. You have earned your place. Now, you probably did not think you were going to have a Hyundai Veloster as your competitor in the finals. Here's the thing. Nobody thought you were. We're going to make this happen. All right, we're going to start with my man in the Z car, and then we're going to go over to the Veloster. Nissan, 3, this is the finals. 2, don't freak out. Go! What's the puppy's name? Nismo? Oh, that's awesome. The dog's name is Nismo, the Nissan Motors Racing Company. Okay. That's our man who's back in the Red Sea. And there we go, I'm back. Wait. I was raised Catholic, so I like pain. Gentlemen, Veloster and Z car, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes. All right, let's put this to a vote. Let's figure out who's going to be our two-step champion and who is not going to get as many presents from Grandma this Christmas. Let me hear it for my man and challenger in the Z car. That's a lot right here, but it's only a lot, only right there. He thinks. Veloster! Let me double check for those at home. Z car. Hyundai Veloster? I love it! Guys, huge round of applause for the freaking Hyundai Veloster that just won! Thank you to all of our two-step contestants, my man. Be proud. You did very, very, very well. Dude, you are a VQ slayer. Thank you so much to each and every one of you about to do our low car limo. Thank you to thevote.com. We'll see you next episode.